Hello, friends. Are you looking for ways to earn some extra cash while still focusing on your studies? In this video, we'll discuss various side hustles for students online. As a student, you may find that you need extra income to supplement your living expenses, pay off your student loans, or even save up for future endeavors. Today, we'll explore some of the most popular and profitable online side hustles for students, and we'll discuss how much you can expect to earn. We'll also provide you with platforms where you can start earning today. Let's get started with the importance of side hustles. Online side hustles can be a great way for students to make extra money while still maintaining a flexible schedule that accommodates their studies. Unlike traditional part-time jobs, online side hustles offer the freedom to work from anywhere and at any time, which can be especially beneficial for students who have busy schedules. Additionally, online side hustles often require minimal startup costs, making them accessible to students who may not have a lot of money to invest. Freelance writing. One of the most popular online side hustles for students is freelance writing. Many websites and blogs require regular content, and they're always on the lookout for freelance writers. Freelance writing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Contena can help you find freelance writing gigs. Freelance writers can earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per word, depending on the type of content and the client. As a beginner, you may start with a lower rate of around 5 to 10 cents per word, but as you gain experience and establish a portfolio, you can earn upwards of 25 to 50 cents per word. With an average of 500 words per article, you could earn anywhere from $25 to $250 per article, depending on the client and the content. So, if you're good at writing and can produce quality content, you can earn a decent income by working as a freelance writer. If you're good at multitasking and can manage administrative tasks, you could start working as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistance is another great online side hustle for students. As a virtual assistant, you could perform a wide variety of tasks, such as email management, scheduling appointments, social media management, and more. Virtual assistants can earn from various platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. These platforms offer a variety of tasks and pay anywhere from $5 to $30 per hour, depending on skill set and experience. As a beginner, you may start with a lower rate of around $10 an hour, but as you gain more experience, you could earn upwards of $25 to $30 per hour. Video editing. If you have video editing skills, you can work as a freelance video editor. Many businesses and individuals require video content for their websites, social media accounts, or marketing materials. Video editors can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour, depending on experience and the complexity of the project. To get started, you can create a portfolio showcasing your video editing skills and reach out to potential clients through freelance platforms or video editing websites. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a great way for students to share their knowledge and earn extra income. Online tutors can earn anywhere from $15 to $30 per hour, depending on the subject and the student. As a beginner, you may start with a lower rate of around $15 per hour, but as you gain more experience and specialize in a particular subject, you could earn upwards of $30 per hour. With a few hours of tutoring per week, you could easily earn a few $100s per month. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves selling products online without owning any inventory. You can set up an online store on platforms such as Shopify and then source products from suppliers who will handle the shipping and fulfillment. Dropshippers can earn a profit margin of 10 to 30% depending on the products they sell, depending on the niche and competition. Dropshipping can be a great side hustle for students who are willing to learn about online marketing and e-commerce. Social media management. Social media management is another lucrative online side hustle for students. If you're a student who spends a lot of time on social media, you might want to consider working as a social media manager. Many small businesses and startups are looking for someone to manage their social media accounts, create content, and engage with their followers. Social media managers can earn anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour, depending on the size of the client's social media presence. As a beginner, you may start with a lower rate of around $15 per hour, but as you gain more experience and manage larger social media accounts, you could earn upwards of $50 per hour. With just a few clients, you could earn a few $1,000s per month. Software development. If you have coding skills and knowledge of programming languages, you can work as a freelance software developer. Many businesses and individuals require custom software or web applications for their operations or websites. Software developers can earn anywhere from $50 to $200 per hour, depending on their experience and the complexity of the project. To get started, you can create a portfolio showcasing your programming skills and reach out to potential clients through freelance platforms or online communities. Web design. If you have web design skills, you can work as a freelance web designer. Many businesses and individuals require custom websites for their operations or online presence. Web designers can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour, depending on their experience and the complexity of the project. To get started, you can create a portfolio showcasing your web design skills and reach out to potential clients through freelance platforms or web design websites. Translation services. If you're a student who speaks multiple languages, you can work as a freelance translator. Many businesses and individuals require translation services for their websites, documents, or marketing materials. Translators can earn anywhere from 5 to 20 cents per word, depending on the language pair and the complexity of the content. To get started, you can create a profile on translation websites such as ProZ or Translators Cafe and apply for translation jobs. Online side hustles can be a great way for students to make extra income while still maintaining a flexible schedule that accommodates their studies. Remember, your earnings will depend on your skill set, experience, and the amount of time you're willing to invest. So, pick a platform and start earning today. Good luck and happy hustling. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.